YouTube, what up? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success service business simplified. I just got up, long 12 hours last night. But here's my thought process. Remember when I came to you guys and said the plumbers and all the service business HVAC techs are winning due to the storm? Guess what comes up right after that? That you really don't need licensing for, that you're able to do, that you should do. Mold remediation. Now, when I was growing up, I had a neighbor. He started a mold remediation company. He had some proprietary equipment or some type of system or something that he used, and he was able to lease out his whatever it was that he used. I never really understood it. However, now is another time for you guys to get in the game and to start your mold remediation business. Again, it's kind of like starting a plumbing business. Only I would prefer that you guys be a little bit more abreast about what you're doing, because you're trying to keep people from getting sick and getting mold spores in their lungs. But essentially, most times, these apartment complexes are just going to go in there with really big fans and have you dry out the carpet. I'm not saying that's code, and I'm not saying that's cool, but that's what they're going to have you do. So you can start your very own mold remediation company. And now's the time. Every building in Atlanta is flooded, on top of some of our major restaurants, senior citizens' homes, libraries, and the like. So what does that mean? Wherever you're at, your town is probably experiencing the same type of issues. So if I was you, I would look into mold remediation, what it takes, what it costs. Think of Balfour. They come in after disaster. Mostly it's called water restoration companies. They try and spice it up a little bit with the language. So if I were you, I would look into mold remediation companies, water restoration. And yeah, go get this money, man. Again, signing off, Perry, all service business, all success service business simplified. Go get this money, man. Start these businesses. It doesn't cost a lot to get an LLC, and it costs even less to get my course and get in the game and figure out how to do this shit. $147 for the whole bundle right now to the end of the year. The end of the year is coming up. Peace.